Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Vaishali Jain. So today I'll be creating these beach waves. Now there are a lot of tutorials available online which shows you how to create heatless curls without using any hairstyling tools, but none of them seems to work for me because my hair is naturally really straight, and whatever I use overnight thing or anything else, my hair just goes back to its straight form. Before we get started with this tutorial, I need to tell you all that this is mainly for girls who have really thin hair like me, and creating curls makes their hair look a lot less voluminous, I suppose. And there's just a trick I've used in creating these curls which just helps you out in giving an illusion that your hair is really voluminous. So I hope it helps you guys. Let's just get started with the tutorial. I'll be using this curler rod. It is a 0.25 mm curler. This is the most versatile curler that you can use, and it's best to create a lot of hairstyle. If you are investing into a curler, then make sure that it is a 0.25 mm curler. It is really great and it will help you out in creating a lot of hairstyles. Now just prep your hair with this Tresemme Thermal Creations. It is basically a heat protecting spray. Once you're done, just comb through your hair with your fingers. It will just make sure that the products get spread even more properly on the length of your hair. Take really small sections of your hair and start rotating it around the curling rod. Hold the hair for approximately 10 seconds and then release it. Now just hold your hair the way I'm showing it till the time your hair cools down a bit, and then you can release it. Do this whole process with the rest of your hair. The main point of holding your hair for some time is to make sure that the curls get formed really properly, and if you just release it straight away, then the curls might not be that curvy and it might be a bit straight. So depending on your style, you can either hold it or you can just let it loose immediately. Now I'm done with curling one side of my hair, and this is how it looks like. This is not the final result. Now I've seen very many tutorials where they section their hair and then curl or style their hair, but I'm very used to curling my hair this way, so I've never felt the need to section my hair. But if you're comfortable in sectioning your hair, then go ahead and follow that method. Now once you're done curling your hair, just comb through your entire hair and just kind of open up your curls and loosen them a bit. This is a very easy go kind of a process, and comb through your hair like you would do so with your naturally non-styled hair, and that will just give you the kind of beach waves I am going for. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and the most important thing, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about all my latest videos.